What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a management philosophy. It's a structured and data-driven approach to deliver improved customer quality. It is also a measurement of process and product capability. The goal of Six Sigma is to attain less than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. So there are some key words here, right? The first one is a management philosophy. It's a philosophy, it's a framework, or it's a methodology. And it's a very structured and mainly a data-driven approach. And what does it provide? It improves customer quality. And then it's a measurement of two things, either a process or a product capability. And the goal of Six Sigma is to attain 3.4 defects per million opportunity, which means that if you are producing 1 million products today, you will only produce 3.4 products out of that 1 million as a defect. We're going to see these things in detail. Now let's look at what a lean is. Lean is again a set of management practices. This again improves something called efficiency and effectiveness by eliminating waste. The core principle of lean is to reduce and eliminate non-value adding activities. And this one emphasizes in getting the right things to the right place at the right time in the right quantity to achieve perfect and sustainable workflow. Right? So again, please stay focused on some of the keywords in here. Efficiency and effectiveness. Non-value adding activities. Non-value adding activities is any activity which is not creating an impact on the final output that's going to the customer, where customer is not seeing a value of any activity that you do. Okay, and then it also talks about getting right things at the right place at the right time, right quantity, right? So there is a flow, there is a timing, there is a quantity that we are talking about, and it also talks about a perfect and sustainable workflow, right? So that's the efficiency. How efficient are you able to deliver something, and how effectively are you delivering so that the customer is feeling the impact? All right, so these are the basics of lean. Now let's look at some of the Six Sigma roles. So I've categorized them into two different buckets. One is a role and what are their key responsibilities. Now, being a yellow belt, which you've come for this training called yellow belt certification in Six Sigma. So the responsibilities of a yellow belt in any organization, they should know, or they should understand, they should learn the foundation of Six Sigma methodology and tools, and they will also apply the Six Sigma tools in their current job scope. And they also support operational and quality teams. And green belt certified, they again have to learn the Six Sigma methodology and tools. This time not just the foundation, they will go a little deeper and understand most of the tools and techniques in Lean Six Sigma. And they also apply Six Sigma to the projects in their current job scope. And they will also work on their own with some mentoring, right? So they will almost be independent to work on their project. They will apply it in their work scope, but they will also take some mentoring support. And where does that come from? That comes from someone called a black belt. A black belt would lead multiple Six Sigma projects. They will also apply Six Sigma to individual projects working independently, and they will also mentor the green belts, and they are the cultural change agents for Six Sigma. Now the fourth category is master black belt, which is also called MBB. They own a Six Sigma methodology across a vertical or a portfolio of an organization. They train others in Six Sigma. They also have to ensure the Six Sigma rigor is continued in the organization. They mentor black belts and sometimes the green belt projects. They are the biggest cultural agent for Six Sigma in any organization. So if you look at it, the black belt and the master black belt, they hold a full-time Six Sigma position in any organization they manage. And green belt and yellow belt, they will not be holding a full-time role in Six Sigma, but they will apply the tools and technologies within their jobs, work scope or the team that they are part of. Now, what does Six Sigma do? It improves certain skills such as eye for detail, the analytical skills, the communication skills, strategic thinking, change management, leadership, influencing skills. So this is a very powerful framework, a methodology or a list of tools to learn which can have a huge impact in your career by improving these skills.